Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. While we explore the technical guide for Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources, the localized resource library for the AppV streaming user experience. It houses the text strings and icons for the virtualization progress bar. If missing, streamed apps like Word or Excel will display generic error codes or a blank UI, preventing virtualized apps from launching. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. When a core file like Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources, DLL, that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A maintenance path for Application Virtualization, Streaming User Experience Resources, and System Optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. To support our technical team and receive updates on Application Virtualization Streaming User Experience Resources resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.